The future has arrived, and it's faster, smarter, and more extreme than anything we've seen before. Welcome to the 2027 Hypercar Concept, a vision of what happens when performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology collide at full throttle. This is not a single car from a single brand. This is a glimpse into the next era of hypercars where boundaries are erased and rules are rewritten. By 2027, the hypercar world will be shaped by electrification, artificial intelligence, advanced aerodynamics, and racing-derived engineering like never before. At the heart of this future lies performance without compromise. Manufacturers are no longer building hypercars just to dominate roads, they're re-engineering machines designed to win on the world's toughest racetracks. McLaren is developing a purpose-built hypercar to compete in the FIA World Endurance Championship, including the legendary 24 Hours of Le Mans. This machine is focused purely on lap times, durability, and aerodynamic efficiency, stripping away excess in favor of raw speed. Ford is also returning to top-tier endurance racing with a new hypercar program set for 2027. Partnering with Oreca for the chassis, Ford's effort signals a serious commitment to motorsport-driven innovation. These race programs are not isolated projects. They directly influence road-going hypercars, transferring lightweight materials, hybrid systems, and thermal efficiency developed under extreme racing conditions. Electrification plays a central role in the 2027 hypercar concept. The future is no longer about whether hypercars will be electric, but how extreme they can become with electric power. Nissan's Hyperforce concept points toward an electric successor to the GT-R, potentially producing up to 1341 horsepower. Solid-state battery technology promises faster charging, lower weight, and sustained high performance without thermal degradation. Lotus is also redefining the hypercar experience with the Theory 1 concept. Designed as an electric supercar with nearly 1,000 horsepower, it introduces a central driving position inspired by Formula racing cars. Its most radical feature may be its soft robotic fabric seats, which communicate driving inputs through physical sensations, blending human intuition with machine precision. Luxury has evolved alongside performance. Hypercars of 2027 are no longer stripped-down machines that sacrifice comfort. They are intelligent, immersive environments. Genesis is leading this transformation with its Magma program, combining high-performance engineering with refined luxury. The G-Mr. 001 hypercar represents Genesis' ambition to compete on the track while delivering road cars that feel both aggressive and elegant. The interior of a 2027 hypercar concept is as advanced as its drivetrain. Digital cockpits adapt to driving modes, augmented reality displays project racing lines and braking points, and AI-driven systems continuously optimize performance. These cars learn from the driver, adjusting torque delivery, suspension behavior, and aerodynamic balance in real time. Electric performance reaches staggering levels in concepts like the Dream Nebula 1, a Ford or electric hypercar capable of nearly 1,900 horsepower and a 0 to 100 km/h time of just 1.8 seconds. This proves that extreme acceleration and everyday usability can coexist. For motor setups with advanced torque vectoring allow these machines to corner with precision once reserved for professional race cars. Even established performance icons are evolving. The next generation BMW M3, expected around 2027, will introduce a fully electric variant with a potential quad-motor system. This signals a future where traditional performance brands embrace electrification without losing their driving character. Aerodynamics define the silhouette of the 2027 hypercar concept. Active aero systems constantly reshape the body, adjusting downforce and drag depending on speed, steering input, and road conditions. Airflows are managed with millimeter precision, maximizing stability at extreme speeds while maintaining efficiency. Sustainability is no longer optional. Hypercars of this era aim to reduce emissions through electrification, lightweight materials, and energy recovery systems inspired by motorsport. Even vehicles producing over 1 000 horsepower are cleaner and more efficient than their predecessors. Exclusivity remains a core element. These machines are built in limited numbers, often hand-assembled in specialized facilities. Each hypercar is a statement piece, blending engineering excellence with artistry. The 2027 Hypercar Concept represents more than speed. It represents ambition. It is the result of racing heritage, technological breakthroughs, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. This is the future where luxury meets innovation, where electrification amplifies emotion, and where performance reaches levels once thought impossible. The next era of hypercars isn't coming, it's already here.